So if I wanted to view a file, I could use the cat command, which prints it out to the screen. There's also a command called bat on Debian. It's actually called batcat, but I've aliased it to bat, which will print it out with color and formatting, which looks kind of nice. But you'll notice that if you try to pipe that to something like if I did grep, and I look for the line 4, you notice it's not colored. Also, like if I was to do, as we did in a previous video, PV-Q-L, and give it a number, try and print it, it's just printing it out like it was cat. How do you get bat to send the color codes if you're piping it to another program? We're just going to do -- color, and we're going to say always. And now when we do that, you'll see that it will send all the color coding. Now, it's typing a little slower. You notice some pause points in this particular case because the color formatting is actually characters you're not seeing, so you'll see it pause where it's actually typing things you're not seeing. But this is how you can get the color output of bat and put it into another program's output or input, standard input.